Welcome back to My Flavor Maps. I'm Charlie, and today we're exploring how to build big flavors for one in a small Skoolie kitchen. Today we're mapping out how to turn 2 pounds of chicken into a 3-day culinary journey without ever feeling like you're eating leftovers. I recently watched a PBS segment about a school in Great Britain that managed to fund an entire organic menu just by cutting out food waste. That hit home for me. In a Skoolie, space and ingredients are at a premium. Now I can handle a meal a couple of times, twice, but by the third time, my palate is bored and I'm tempted to toss it. In my opinion, the secret to zero waste isn't just saving food, it's reinventing it so your brain doesn't recognize it as the same ingredient. I started with 2¼ pounds of chicken breasts. I needed to cook them pretty quick. Instead of just roasting it, which can be really dry, I used the Flavor Map secret, poaching. I took some leftover broth from a previous pot pie, liquid gold, really, and brought it to a rolling boil. I dropped the pieces in, then immediately dropped the heat to a gentle simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. You want that lazy bubble, not a violent one, to keep the protein tender. Once I hit that magic 165-degree internal mark, I pulled them. Pro tip, let them rest for about 5 seconds. Don't do anything to them so the juices redistribute. Then shred with 2 forks. While it's still warm, important. Now, here's the real game changer for the small kitchen. Small, tiny kitchen. The storage map. I took that shredded chicken and divided it into 3 quart-sized Ziploc bags. Each one weighs 7 or 8 ounces. The perfect single-serving portion. I flattened them out completely, real thin, and slid them into the freezer. Because they're flat, they take up almost no space, and they thaw in minutes. All the hard work is done. When I'm ready to cook, I just pull one bag out, and I'm halfway to a gourmet meal. We are building 3 distinct worlds from these 3 packs. First, I'm going to make a white chili, using that saved poached liquid, heavy on the cumin, some green chilies, for a smoky, earthy profile. That'll be the following week. Then the following week after that, second is a cold chicken pasta, where the pivot is bright acidity lemon, maybe some fresh herbs, or a sharp vinaigrette. And finally, a skillet of chicken and creamy noodles, which is pure comfort. Think velvet textures and cracked black pepper. By changing the fat, the acid, and the spices, that one batch of chicken becomes 3 completely unique experiences. It's quick, it's easy, and it works fantastic. I'm really loving this. It just goes to show that the road might be long and the kitchen might be super tiny, but you can still map out a life that you love. I'm Charlie. Thank you for being a part of the journey. I do appreciate it. Deuces.